Top programming languages for data science careers.
Which programming languages matter most for data science? In this video, we'll explore the key programming languages that drive modern data science careers, examining why each is valuable and how they contribute to analyzing, modeling, and interpreting data.
Why Python dominates data science.
The Python is widely recognized as the leading language for data science. Its simple syntax, rich ecosystem, and libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn make it ideal for data analysis, machine learning, and visualization. Python's community support and versatility ensure that it remains central to data science workflows.
R, the statistician's choice.
R is a language developed by statisticians for statistical computing and graphics. It excels in data exploration, statistical modeling, and specialized analyses. R's strengths include powerful visualization tools and packages for unique statistical techniques, making it highly valued in academia and research-focused data science roles.
SQL, the foundation of data extraction.
SQL, or structured query language, is essential for retrieving and managing data stored in relational databases. Data scientists use SQL to extract, filter, and aggregate data before analysis. Its importance lies in efficiently handling and preparing large datasets, making it a key foundational skill for data science professionals.
Other popular languages, Julia and Scala.
Julia and Scala are gaining traction in data science. Julia offers high performance and is used for complex numerical tasks, while Scala integrates with big data tools like Apache Spark. Although less common than Python or R, these languages are valuable for specific projects requiring speed or scalability.
Choosing the right language for your career.
Start with Python for a broad range of data science opportunities. Learn R if your focus is statistics or academic research. Master SQL for database work. Explore languages like Julia or Scala for advanced performance needs. Diversifying your language skills will make you a more adaptable and competitive data science professional.